So, we're going to talk about my bike. This is a Lifan KPV 150. I didn't buy it new, I traded for it, and I've done a lot of work to it. When I first got it though, I almost blew it up. The battery failed and the wiring harness failed because I pinched it when I installed it and rode it. And I installed an Optima orange top battery, and it's got a built-in jump start. It's wonderful. And it took me, I don't know, 2 leisurely days to put the wiring harness in. But since then, I've actually done a lot of work. Let's see here. I installed a rack and a top box, and then I have these side racks I got put on. They were welded on because the frame didn't work out that I had. This is going to help tie down some gear. I'm going to go moto camping. I opted for soft bags because the ones that are like this, the hard shell ones, they're just heavy. So I wanted to loosen up the weight on that. The engine's all stock. The shock is adjusted for weight. I haven't done anything yet as far as the CVT is concerned, but that's probably what I'm going to address next. I run a Tusk brand fuse block in there, which I have connected to a couple devices, and it works out really good. My blinkers are aftermarket, they're Tusk. This was installed after the bike was put on. I got rid of my mirrors and put the mirrors here. So the front of the bike looks a little different, and it's more useful. I have some bags and a gas can attached, my lights. The rims are 14-inch tires. It moves a lot better than the 10-inch scooter wheel, and it works out better off-road. I usually run a big tunnel bag right here. It carries a bunch of gear for me. I have storage in here. Doesn't like to open though. And that holds my battery, and there's some electrical stuff. Another one over here, but all that has in it is rags for cleaning. Let's see. Under the seat, let's see. I have various toolboxes. I've got electric, I've got tire kit, some Male stuff, tool, and if I need to access my battery jump box, that's right here. That's for my Optima battery. It's a nice handy little quick get in area. So my plans is to go moto camping out into the mountains around here. There's a couple weird places I'm going to go to, and some other things like state parks and stuff like that. So I'll be posting videos of those adventures. I carry some extra oil right here. I carry funnel, some coolant fluid over here. Bungees. I have extra bungees. Let's see. I guess that's about it. I really like this bike. I installed some front and rear cameras on it, and that hooks up to this infotainment system. This infotainment system links to my my gear and my headset on my helmet. I like it a lot. Music communication, it's wonderful. I did have to put this on it. Longer rides, the seat just isn't comfortable, so that helps out a lot. I took a trip out to a place called the Triangles, and I'm probably going to do that again and post some better video of that. Another place called Cabinetlandia and a couple state parks I plan to visit, as well as some random just places out in the desert. I'll get some cool video and set it up and show everybody. I've got TPMS on this bike. I made this video early today, and I had the case on my GoPro, so you couldn't really hear my audio of what I was saying. So I didn't really post that. I was out at some hangars out here where I live, the Indiana Jones was filmed at. It's World War II hangars. Unfortunately, I can't post it. It's bad, like I said. But it's really late at night, and I'm at work, so I thought I'd do this. I installed the headlight just recently, got that from China, and it only took about 2 weeks to get here because I messed up the first one. I plan on adding an oil cooler, and I also plan on adding a radiator fan right there that automatically kicks on when there's some heat. And I'll probably put on a temperature gauge that tests the head temperature and the coolant temperature. Other than that, I might want to get a gas shock. I believe a Honda CBR 250 shock is the same size as this. And I'll probably add some different weight oil up in the front. Just kind of help it out a little bit to do what I do. And, well, that's about it. I'll be back with another video. I doubt I'll be taking a ride tomorrow. It's going to rain. It's been cloudy and rainy all day. If you are from this area, or if you know New Mexico, the south part of New Mexico, let me know where you've been. If you've gone anywhere around here, if you got any leads on anything interesting, I'll go there. I'm going to go find some mines. I have a drone. I can throw a drone up in the air and go scout. I plan on sharing a lot of adventures, so thanks a lot. Thank you.